Wala. Nakuha ni Neves. Foul. Fabi. Faster again. All over left substitution. Sadai. Fabi's out.
Ay, out it Fabi.
After the best, Sada pass to Santos. Santos, pass to Nieves. Nieves, pass to Peralta. 10 seconds on the clock. Arceo. 2 points para Arceo.
Dalas yung kamay mo, no?
Peralta, nagmamadali. Pass to Nieves. Pump. Take shot. 5. 3 seconds left. Arceo. Is third. Personal foul. Penalty. Body strike para kay
Tipis na
Nieves.
mahal.
Basket group. Bukan mulai para kay Nieves. San Diego. Back to Asada.
5 lang pala sila.
Asada. Back to Asada. Foul. Serrano. Comitek. First. Personal foul. Penalty. Penalty.
Penalty.
Both teams are penalty situation. Arceo. Foul. Peralta. Wala. Nawali Nieves. Nawali Santos. Hindi na bola. Santos pass to Peralta. Peralta. Umatang. Pero may foul. San Diego. First. Personal foul. Penalty. First try para Peralta.
So guys, maraming gwapo sa amin. Tingnan nyo ha. Ayan o. Siyang mani, walang gwapo eh. Ay.
Wala. San Diego. Wala. Nawali. Acueta. Acueta. Wala. Nawali Peralta. Wala. Nawali Acueta. Basti San Diego. Hindi na goal. 2 points.
Wala na shooting si Jonah.
Peralta. Peralta. Bastos Santos. Santos. Team. Shot lang. Serrano. Serrano. Bastos Santos. 4-3. Arceo. Raise it up. The rebound by Pes. Bastos Santos. Bastos Peralta. Peralta kali kay San Diego. Peralta. Peralta pa rin. Post over foot. Foul. Peralta basket. Bastos Serrano. Bastos Peralta. Bastos Serrano.
Kasi ang daming pate.
Martin. Martin. Bastos Diego. San Diego. Bastos Arceo. Nagkakaroon ng Nieves. Sinangat. Wala. Nawali Nieves pa rin. Wala. Nawali Santos. 2 points. Ay, Santos. Fabi spot. Foul. Sa basket. Ito. Second. Personal foul. Foul. Bonus try para kay Fabi. Basket good.
Ba't isa lang ah? 3 na lang.
Santos, pass to Nieves. Nieves, runway to Nieves, left up. Wala, ni Arceo. Arceo, pass to San Diego, pass to Fabi. Walang stop. Ano ba? The ball goes to Yang Mariu.
Sayang, Fabi.
Pass to Andres Santos, for goal.
Ay, hindi ko nabigyan. Sayang.
San Diego, pass to Arceo. Arceo, back to San Diego. 2 points para kay San Diego. to Santos. Si Santos pamili, violation. Martin inbound the ball, pass to San Diego. Back to Arceo. Arceo, pass to the pass. Ball goes to Yapani. Santos, pass to Neves. Foul. Shot. Wala. Nawala San Diego. San Diego, pass to Martin. Martin, back to San Diego. Salat kay Santos. Santos sa bola. Pass to Ahedo. Ahedo, back to Santos. Foul. Santos. Wala. Foul. Ahedo. Second, team foul. Abis. Wala, nakahari Arceo. Arceo pass to Alzada. Tutuwa para kay Alzada. Single. Santos. Tuloy kay Alzada. Pass to Babis. Tutuwa para kay Gabriel.
Alam mo yan.
Back to the ballgame.
Tutok na tutok talaga kay Pag.
Tandaan lang po natin sa mga dadaan. Maraming salamat po. Santos, stolen by Babis. Sinangat, foul! Tira sa basket. Serrano!
Kung makinikita si Bot-Bot. Luno eh.
Basket is good.
Nagluno ka. Pagod yan guys sa trabaho.
Ian Seryoso, inbound the ball. Pass to Santos. Pass to Neves sa ilalim. Rejected by MJ. Rebound by Santiago. Pass to Asada. Basket is good para kay Asada. Here comes Santos. Santos pa rin ang bintangan ng bola. Guarded by Asada. Santos, nagkalat ng kamukha. Binigay kay another Santos. 10 seconds to shoot. Santos pa rin. 5 seconds to shoot. Here comes Ian! Wala! Nakuha niya ito yung mga bola pa rin. Nakuha niya sa namin. Basket is good. Ang galing talaga ni Ian. Parang palakang inuhuli.
Oo nga ba dyan?
Here comes Fabis. Dancing with the wrong song. Santos, pass to another Santos. Pass to Neves, guarded by MJ. Foul, blast the basket. MJ committed. Second personal foul. Warning group penalty. Bonus shot para kay Nizi Neves. At 3-point play time. Basket is good. Bentak po ulit tayo. Here comes Asada. Asada naghahanap ng kababa. Binigay kay MJ. Patrick. Patrick nakuha ni Asada. Follow-up shot. No good. Rebound by Fabis. Fabis dribbling the ball. Fabis looking for his teammates. Pass to MJ. MJ sa ring student. MJ pa rin ang bentak. Bola binigay kay San Diego. Same ball. On the way of substitution. Peralta in. Ian Santos out.
Go Ian.
Here comes Fabis. Spin. Pass to Nizi. Inuntok sa kabakanan eh. Peralta, guarded by San Diego. Peralta, pass to Serrano using it in. Basket is good. San Diego, pass to San Diego. Wala, nakuha ni Asada. Wala, nakuha ni Easy.
Go easy. Go easy.
NJ, pass to Favis. Favis, guarded by Santos. Rebound by outside, RDP ball.
Dito, face of the next si Papi.
Santiago inbound the ball, pass to Ascueta. For 3 again, no good. Rebound by Santos, pass to Nizipe, pass to Serrano. Pass to Peralta. Peralta, guarded by Santiago. Peralta pa rin ang bentanga ng bola. Peralta. Outside, on the next substitution. Martin E. MJ out. Last 13 seconds to shoot. Lizzy, inbound the ball. Pass to Peralta. Peralta ang bentanga ng bola. Screen by Serrano. Peralta looking for his teammates. Pass to Lizzy. Lizzy, pass to Serrano.
Go, Dexter.
No good. Rebound by Asada. It's stolen by Lizzy. Bonus shots para kay Lizzy Nieves. Unti-unti na po lumalayo ang malabangan ng Young Money. Bati ka na yan.
Hala.
Time out! Here comes Favis, 2 points para kay Favis.
Siyempre, kuha yun. Face of the
Santo, pass to Peralta, pass to Lizzy. Lizzy, ang Lizzy, inangat. Favis, pass to Arceo. Unang take, inangat, foul. Lizzy. 25 seconds. Here comes Peralta, guarded by Martin. Peralta using the ball. No good rebound by outside.
Ba't may ooze?
Martin inbound the ball. Pass to Santiago. Pass to Martin.
Kapit din to si ano. Ang gwapo din ito.
Peralta pa rin ang bentanga ng bola. Pass to Serrano. Libre. Wala. Nakuha ni Favis. Favis. Pass to Martin. Pass to Favis. 13. A little short rebound by Santiago.
Naririba.
Santiago pa rin. Santiago looking for his teammates. He's stolen by Peralta. Peralta pa rin. Ginagamit yung 3 minuto. Yan, Jerry, nagdado sa iyo. Hindi mo, pagkabit na. 10 seconds to shoot. Peralta pa rin. Peralta. For 3. Good rebound by foul. Easy committed. Second, personal foul.
Si San Diego, effect
2
din,
shots
guys.
para kay San
So yun yung
Diego.
mga gwapo sa amin. Ay, sa isang team pala yun.
First try, basket is good. Second try. Two out of 2 para kay San Diego. Here comes Santos, inbound the ball. Pass to Peralta, guarded by Martin. Peralta ang bentanga ng bola. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Serrano. Pass to Story by Martin. Pass to San Diego. Basket is good. Foul to 1 point lead para sa Young Money. Here comes Lizzy. Happy walking sa'yo, Ate Evie. Foul. Peralta. First personal foul. Penalty. Both teams are in penalty situation. First strike para kay Bobby.
Galing. Ang galing talaga nito, guys.
A good rebound by Arceo. Arceo foul. Release up the good rebound. The ball goes to YMCMB.
Tumira. Get. Ow!
Peralta. Foul. Tonight, Martin committed first personal foul penalty. 2 shots para kay Bonar Peralta.
Dapat yan na ito lang pang...
First try, no good. Second try. The good rebound by Fabi. Inangat, wala na. Kuha ng Nieves. Pass to Peralta. Peralta pass to Serrano. Serrano. Pass to Santos. Santos. Pass to Peralta. 10 seconds to shoot. Peralta guarded by San Diego. 5 seconds to shoot.
Ayan, oh.
Martin.
Sayang yung...
Peralta. Peralta guarded by Martin. 10 seconds to shoot. San Diego. Pass to
Tayo na.
We score on 71 time like 1 minute and 37 seconds. Here comes Peralta, setting the play. Peralta pass to Lizzy. Lizzy, is followed by Fabi.
Oh, buti. Buti tawag, tama yung mga tawag ni Bisoy.
Here comes Peralta. Peralta. Peralta pa rin. Wala ni Fabis. Basket is good para kay Fabis.
Wala, pinilit mo.
Peralta.
Ala!
Nakatubo eh.
Ko San Diego.
Asana, pass to Ergay. Ergay.
Ako din may target nga pala. Diba nung ulan, gaza,
Asana, pass to San Diego. Back to Asana. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Fabis. Fabis. Inangat. Inangat ang kuha ni Serrano. Serrano, pass
Ay!
to Serrano.
nakita sa camera.
Santos, pass to Peralta.
Mas si Jonah.
Sana ipas! Wala pasok yung bola!
Edit natin.
Na! Sa ilalim!
Peralta.
Ilalim! Ilalim!
Peralta. Castro Santa.
Diego, gwapo pa naman.
Time out! It's a one-point game. It's a one-point game. It's a one-point game. Here comes Bobby.
Ang sago.
Isa lang tibay si Jesse sa ilalim!
Back to the ball, David Castellanta. Castro, Serrano!
No foul, no foul.